This is a vintage Otis elevator at the DeWitt Mall in Ithaca, New York. Look at that, Otis Elevator Company. We have to shut this door manually. It's got Otis Black Button fixtures on the inside. Let's go 4. Except we can't, 4 is locked. Let's go 3. We are at 3. The inner door takes a while to open. But apart from that, this elevator seems like it's in good shape. Here's your cab view. You can actually see upwards a little bit. You can see the ropes. 1,800 pound capacity, as it says up there. Otis Elevator Company. I actually don't know what year this was originally installed, but the building dates back all the way to 1914. I feel like this could actually be original of the building, and then these are new buttons, probably from the 60s. Let's go for one more ride. This time let's look out here. There are the ropes. It's brighter as you get closer to the top. Here we are at 3. And let's end it down at G. I have to wait until this all opens all the way before it accepts my call. So what can I say? You don't really see elevators like this anymore. It's really cool that they still have this. Again, Otis Elevator Company. Can you see upwards? Yeah, look at that. There's a little view upwards. Just because why not? Let's send it up to 1. If it does it. I don't know if it'll take the call. It doesn't. Alright, that'll be it.